Hi viewers, today I'm showing you how to clean your PS5 without breaking a warranty sticker, okay? Avoiding your warranty. So first, what you guys have to do, so this is the disc version, right? So this is the back plate and this is the front plate. So you guys have to open from the top. So just hold it like this and open it from the top. Once it's done, just put it here and you guys can see it's so like there is a grease and it's kind of dirty. So if you put force from this side, this thing will not going to be open. So you have to put force here in the middle. So as soon as you put a force here in the middle, boom, pop up. So here gonna be a warranty sticker, so you have to be very careful. Like if you peel it, then Sony will not cover if something happen in the future. So here's the Phillips head screwdriver. This is the SSD part. Like you guys can put SSD in it. Let me take it out and let me show you. Right there. So this is the SSD part. You guys can put SSD in it. And you guys can peel this part out because Sony doesn't care about this part because warranty gonna be here. So there are gonna be a 1, 2, 3, 4 screws to clean your fan. Top 2 screws, what gonna be smaller and other one gonna be a little bit bigger, okay? So first, so I go with 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? 1 is small and second one is longer, but the same. Why they're not standing? It's fine. So these screws gonna be like thinner than these ones, but both are equal. You guys can, if you want to if you forget how to put them in, so you just both screws are the same. So bottom 2 screws are the same, but top 2 screws are not the same. There we go. Okay. Take this plate right there and take the fan out. And this part is like very sensitive, so if you use any type of prying tool or something, you're gonna break the pads inside, okay? A lot of people are making these type of mistakes, so I just warn you. So what you need to do, so just slowly put a force and you're gonna see the connector gonna go slowly out. So see right now the connector is out. So take the fan and check the fan, and let me show you how to clean these things out. So each game console gonna be like in a different situation, like how dirty they are. Get a brush and boom. So today I'm just showing you how to clean your game console without avoiding your warranty sticker. So just blow this part off. So first you have to clean this fan. Fan is number first, okay? Just suppose if fan is clean. My fan is not cleaning because right now I'm not doing like cleaning service on this one. So right now I'm just showing you like how to clean it. So get a brush and slowly clean this part, and this part, and then put it here. And let me show you other thing. You have to check this part right there inside. If you see right there, so you have to clean it or blow this thing with the air all the way to the end. If you can't go all the way, what you need to do, just take the back cover out. Okay, so back cover, how you gonna take it out? Because if you put force from this side, this thing will never go open, okay? So you have to, otherwise you can open from this side, but you may break these small connectors right there, these things, notches. If you don't take it out from this side, you may break these things, but if you break this one, then your game, like this side cover will not go all the way in. You want to fall. So from this side, boom. Okay, so here, always remember not from this side, okay, from the middle, put it here, and then clean it up, clean it up, clean it up. So this part is directly going to the radiator, this hole, and this hole is kind of blocked, but I will recommend you guys to just, you know, clean everything in there. If you see like if there's a dust somewhere, just clean it out, because that's how your game console gonna breathe. Otherwise this thing gonna turn off, like if it's shutting down, like while you're playing, it mean like it's dirty. So you have to check these sides too, right there. So let me show you guys from this side. Okay, so here you have to start from, first I'm starting from this side, from this side left and then right. As soon as this is done, then just let's put game console back together. And now I'm putting the SSD shield. This is very important, don't lose this screw, and these screws are like different. So if you see right there, it's like different. Only you can't put these screws inside if you messed up. Just for future, it's a Phillips head screw, so you have to be very careful. One, and let me go to the back right there, and let's put it here. So that's how you will not avoid your warranty with Sony. So the back cover goes like this. And I need to mention a couple more things, because if you see the bottom of the game console, if it's completely clogged, so you just need to just blow this thing up. So the air is going directly to the radiator inside. So that's how you don't need to open the game console. Okay. Okie dokie. There we go. Okay, so how to put the fan in, because right now you guys don't know how to put it in. Suppose if you don't know, so you're gonna see this hole right there and this hole right there, right? There are like two holes, right? And if you see right there, one, two. So you have to put it like this, and make sure this cable is not coming under the fan. So make it straight, and then slowly and careful just put the connector in. And now, so let me show you like how to put this shield in. You just need to match these two holes. If there are two holes, you're good. So you can't put like this, because you have to be careful like this. There is a like a little bit notch right there, so you have to put this one right there. Here we go. And then first goes, small screws goes on top on number one, okay? And the longer one goes here, and two screws are the same. Like I can put this one right there, and I can put this one here. Easy peasy. Takes like 5-10 minutes to clean your game console without avoiding your warranty. Here we go. Boom. And there's the plastic foam right there. And this is done. Thank you for watching, and could you please subscribe our YouTube channel? I will really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a good one.